Imagine waking up one day to find that your money is working harder than you ever could. What if I told you that there's a simple but powerful investment strategy that's been proven time and time again to help you build wealth no matter your experience level? Stick around, because today I'm about to share the best investment strategy in the world with you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because today we're talking about something that could completely change your financial future, the best investment strategy in the world. Sounds exciting, right? But what is it? Really? Let me cut straight to the chase. The best investment strategy isn't about picking the hottest stock or chasing after the next big thing. It's not about timing the market perfectly or trying to outsmart everyone else. The best investment strategy is simple, reliable, and most importantly, it works for anyone, even if you're just starting out. So, what is it? Before you roll your eyes and think, oh, it's just another boring investment talk, trust me. The reason this strategy is so powerful is because of its simplicity and consistency. It's all about investing in index funds. Let me break it down for you. 1. What are index funds? Index funds are a type of mutual fund or exchange-traded fund ETF that's designed to track the performance of a specific index, like the S&P 500, which includes 500 of the largest companies in the US. This means that when you invest in an index fund, you're actually investing in a small portion of all these companies at once. So instead of putting all your money into one stock, you're spreading the risk across many of the best companies in the market. 2. Why index funds are the best investment strategy now? Why are index funds considered the best strategy? Here's why. Diversification. By investing in an index fund, you get instant diversification. That means if one company in the index does poorly, it won't impact your whole investment as much. Diversification is a key way to reduce risk. Low costs. Index funds usually have low fees compared to other types of investment options, like actively managed funds. This means more of your money stays in your investment, growing over time. Consistent growth. Historically, the stock market tends to grow over time, even though there are ups and downs along the way. With index funds, you're not trying to time the market. You're just investing in the overall growth of the economy. Over the long term, this has proven to be one of the most effective ways to build wealth. No need to be a stock market expert. One of the best parts about index funds is that you don't need to be an expert to get started. You don't need to pick stocks or worrying about the next big trend. Just keep investing regularly and let the market do the work. 3. The magic of compounding. Let's talk about something called compound interest. It's the secret sauce that makes long-term investing so powerful. Essentially, compound interest means that the money you make from your investment starts making money on itself. Over time, the longer you invest, the bigger your returns can get. Think about this. If you invested $100 every month into an index fund with an average return of 7% per year, after 30 years, that $100 would grow to over $100,000, and a large chunk of that growth would be from the compound interest itself. 4. The power of consistency. Consistency is key. This strategy works best when you stick with it, even when the market is down or things feel uncertain. That's the beauty of long-term investing. The ups and downs smooth out over time. And the more consistent you are, the better your chances for success. 5. How to get started. Getting started with index funds is easier than you think. Here are the basic steps. Pick a low-cost index fund. You can start by choosing an index fund that tracks a broad market index like the S&P 500 or international stocks. Look for funds with low expense ratios. Set up a regular investment plan. You don't need a ton of money to start. In fact, investing just $50 or $100 a month can make a big difference over time. Be patient. Once you've set up your plan, let it run. Don't panic when the market drops. Just keep investing and trust the process. Imagine waking up in 12 days, checking your bank account, and seeing millions. Sound impossible? Well, what if I told you that it's not only possible, but it's actually simpler than you think? Stay tuned, because today I'm going to reveal exactly how you can become a millionaire in just 12 days. Hey, it's your name, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because today we're going to unlock a strategy that could change your financial future in less than 2 weeks. Yes, you read that right, 12 days. But before we dive in, let's address something important. You see, becoming a millionaire isn't about luck, it's about smart decisions, taking calculated risks, and putting in the right amount of work at the right time. So let's talk about how you can make this happen. Let's dive into the secrets of becoming a millionaire in 12 days. 1. Understand the power of opportunity. First things first, opportunity is everywhere, but you have to know how to spot it. Many people miss out on millionaire opportunities simply because they don't recognize them. The key is to shift your mindset and be open to possibilities that others might think are too risky or far-fetched. You need to start seeing potential where others see challenges. In the next 12 days, you'll be keeping an eye on emerging markets, trending investments, or business ideas that could rapidly grow. The more you can spot opportunities like this, the faster you can move toward becoming a millionaire. 5. Mindset, the millionaire attitude. Finally, let's talk about mindset. Becoming a millionaire doesn't just happen, it's about your belief in yourself. You have to train your mind to stay focused, disciplined, and ready to take action at any given moment. Stay persistent, even when things don't seem to go your way. The millionaire attitude is about seeing the end goal even when obstacles try to block you. In the next 12 days, you need to work on staying motivated, staying positive, and staying consistent. Every millionaire has had days where they wanted to give up, but it's the perseverance that counts. Stay on track, and remember 12 days is just the beginning. Closing, so there you have it. The 5 steps to help you become a millionaire in just 12 days. But remember, success doesn't come overnight, it comes from your decisions and actions every single day. Start making those smart choices now, and in 12 days, you might just find yourself on the path to millions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. Share with someone who needs to see this, and of course subscribe for more content just like this. I'll see you in the next video.